Yeah, I'm Kurt Klaus. I'm working now since 60 years in IWC as a watchmaker. Today I stopped to make watches, but today I talk about. But my profession was during so many years to work for IWC watches. Now one nice thing is the Big Pilot we have. This is not new. We made the Big Pilot, well, behind me. I was not there. In 1940, IWC made a Big Pilot's watch with a pocket watch movement in for the Luftwaffe, for the war. And they made a few problems, and then it was forgotten. Huh? But the other story is a Portuguese watch. The same idea to make a wristwatch with a pocket watch movement, because it is more accurate. And now, beginning in the 1990s, some had the idea for anniversary of IWC to make a new edition of this Portuguese watch. And it got a very big success. And it was the beginning of the trend for big wristwatches. So it was so big success, I started to construct a new movement in the size of a pocket watch movement, but automatic winding. And IWC presented in 2000 the first Portuguese automatic.
Is that with the Peloton?
With the Peloton, oh, you know, with the Peloton. Because when I was working on this new movement, should be automatic, I said, why should I invent something new for the automatic winding system when we already have the best? Albert Peloton constructed it in the 1950s, in the beginning, 1950s, just when I started to work in IWC. And so we have the best, and I used exactly the same mechanism, the same system as before Peloton in this new Portuguese watch.
Thank you very much.
It was a pleasure.